to talk about A2.2.
So tie your shoe
And listen to. First of all, there are six
kingdoms. They are animal, plant, fungi, bacteria, protists, monitoring. They are
animal, plant, fungi, bacteria, protists, monitoring.
and in Latin it will be animal, animalia,
Plant, plantae,
fungi,
bacteria,
protists, protista.
monitoring, monera.
First, animals.
Rawr. They are multi-celled, they can move, and they take their food from the environment. Second, plants. They are multi-celled, they don't move, and have a cell wall. They make their own food.
Third, fungi.
They are multi-celled, they move, they have a cell wall, and they take food from the environment. Fourth, bacteria.
They are single-celled, don't move. Some make their food and some don't. Fifth, protist.
Single-celled. Some move and others don't move. 6, Morian.
They're single-celled. They do and do not have cell walls and no nucleus.
All I ever wanted was to see you smiling. I know that I love you, oh baby, why don't you see?